Together with our customers, we work on reliable and multifunctional solutions that'll enable future generations to move forward. Continued development is the most fertile breeding ground for top quality and sustainability. That is why we invest in the latest techniques, our own production capacity and the knowledge of our employees and customers. We do not shy away from unbeaten paths. In this way, Zuidberg is setting a course towards the agricultural landscape of the future. A high-tech assembly line for front PTO systems was recently put into operation. This enables us to guarantee an even higher quality level with an increased production capacity. Workplace safety and job satisfaction are ensured by the use of a number of well-thought-out ergonomic aids. Parts required for assembly are collected and cleaned separately for each PTO. By means of RFID, it is known where these parts are during assembly. During assembly, various parameters are determined and recorded. For example, it is determined whether all the necessary bolts are used and the torque with which they are attached. A tightness test guarantees the quality of the cabinet parts and gaskets used. After an extensive final test, the PTO is given a unique registration number. With this, all recorded parameters can be consulted for service purposes throughout the life of the PTO. Waste in the production process is prevented. Due to the first-time right principle, interventions during the assembly phase are virtually unnecessary. Short lines of communication and specialization of our employees ensure maximum effectiveness. This working method is also known as lean. A higher output is achieved by the single piece flow principle. The assembly of a PTO is carried out entirely by the same specialist, the testing by the other specialist. This ensures optimum utilization of the production line and deviations can be quickly rectified. The supply of raw materials for the assembly takes place from an adjacent warehouse. This minimizes logistical operations. The use of an automatic warehouse in which specific attachments are stored shortens waiting times even further. This type of warehouse also contributes to a reduction in workload and increases job satisfaction. The assembly specialists use tools to be able to lift heavy parts without physical strain. Due to the specific wishes of our specialists, these tools have been developed in-house. The Zuidberg-specific character of this assembly line has also resulted in a working environment that, in terms of hygiene, matches the type of product being assembled and is also low noise. A pleasant environment to work in. Our specialists undergo continuous training in order to be able to continue to provide the quality that our customers expect. Zuidberg pays special attention to its surroundings. A healthy working environment and working conditions, as well as a future-proof production method, are important objectives. Most of the roofs on our premises are fitted with solar panels. With almost 8,000 panels, it generates about 1.8 megawatts per year and thus provides a large part of the required energy. By recycling rinse and cooling water and using reusable packaging materials, among other things, we're working together towards a future in which we can produce in a responsible way. The end users of our products are then not only certain of a sound solution for their farm, but also know that it has been produced responsibly. We are convinced that reliable people and products ensure success. Committed to our customers and their goals, we keep innovating together and dare to pioneer. Zuidberg, Performance Pioneers.